What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got a plethora of things on the table. What we got going on is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and some of my favorite accessories. So today what we got going on is my favorite accessories for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get into it. Okay, YouTube, so this is my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. As y'all know, a lot of these tablets, smartphones, and foldables are nothing without their accessories. Using them, having fun with them, and making them more productive has a lot to do with accessories you choose. This being a device that could go from this outside cover display to a big inner display with a lot of processing power. To get the best of this device, you had to have the right accessories. So let's just get straight into the accessories, guys. So what we got here, guys, is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 3. And these are just a dope pair of earbuds. They pair really well with my Galaxy Z Fold 6. The aesthetic matches the Galaxy Z Fold 6. As you can see, I got like this silver, almost chrome looking type colorway that matches the frame of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Kind of matches the frame of my titanium S24 Ultra. Just a really good looking pair of earbuds that produce some good sounds. And I had to get the Pro because I feel like the fit when they got the nice rubber ear tips is just so much better. So on the Z Fold 6, you're going to be watching content, listening to music and things of that nature. And you want that experience to go really well. So with a great pair of earbuds like this that could switch in between your Samsung Galaxy products and things of that nature, Galaxy Buds Pro 3 is definitely a must-have accessory for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Next, we talking case, and I'm just going to do this unboxing on this video because I rocked the thin-born case on my Z Fold 5, I rocked it on my S24 Ultra, I rocked it on my 16 Pro. It's a dope minimal case, and on a big foldable, you want a dope minimal case that's not going to add too much bulk to a already big device. You open it up like so, you got all the instructions. It comes with actually 2 tempered glass screen protectors. I don't know any case company that's really doing that. Also, you get extra 2-sided tape because a lot of times with these foldables, to make the case stay in place right, you should rock a little 2-sided tape just to make sure it's not slipping on and off. But you're getting a rear frame and a front frame for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold right here, guys. A lot of case companies still not even doing the front frame on these foldables. So definitely add some protection to the front and to the back. But as you can see, guys, just a dope minimal case, hinge still out. I don't like a case that blocks the hinge on my Z Fold devices or flip devices. I think that once you got the hinge blocked all off and you got hinge protection, the case is too bulky for me personally. If you like a nice minimal case that offers some camera protection, and also you get MagSafe. You adding MagSafe to your Z Fold 6 with this case. Shout out to Thinborn. I love that little branding that they got. Not too much, just a little bit. Black branding looks really slick on here. It's a very minimal case, and the frame on the front actually adds a little lip above your display. But you still get a natural button press, and I mean, just a clean case to go on your Galaxy Z Fold 6. Really dope minimal case right here. I have a link in the description for this case also where you get 15% off. So go ahead and check the link in the description if you want to try out the thin-born case for your Z Fold 6. Next is the S Pen, guys. Now, with the Z Fold 6, I wish they'd have put the S Pen in the device. They didn't. But I'm just glad that you can use the S Pen on the inner display to write notes, plan, and things of that nature. I'm a big S Pen user on both my S24 Ultra and my Z Fold 6. So if you got a Z Fold 6, definitely get you an S Pen. Now, this is the one that came with my S Pen case for the Z Fold 6. But y'all know I'm a fool with the cases. I like to use a lot of different cases. So, but I still keep an S Pen on deck, like in one of my little tech pouches, in case I just want to pull it out and write some stuff down, plan or just do, scroll through the phone with the S Pen. Sometimes scrolling with the S Pen is very dope because you're not using your fingers and you're not leaving any fingerprints. But this is a nice little tool that also works as a remote with the camera and things of that nature. So this is definitely a must-have accessory for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now this is a beast right here, guys. This is the power bank from Anker. This is the Mag Go. Now, this power bank works with MagSafe accessories, and a lot of times I'm going to be rocking that Thorn Case that give me MagSafe powers on my Z Fold 6. But at the same time, you can plug Type-C to Type-C cable straight up to your Z Fold 6 and get super fast charging. Anker Mag Go 10,000 milliamp power bank is powerful enough to charge your device up from 0 to 100%, which a lot of these 4,000 and 5,000 milliamp power banks can't do. Also, you get a screen on the side that shows you things like how long it's going to be before your device charges and how many percent does the power bank have itself. You look at the back and it's got a nice strong kickstand actually made out of metal and very sturdy. So this is one of my favorite power banks on the market right now. It'll be a link down in the description. Shout out to the Anker Mag Go 10,000 milliamp power bank. Now, if you want to use your Z Fold 6 to the max, guys, you got to check out Ugreen and get one of their adapter Type-C hubs. Basically, this is a hub, a Type-C cable. You plug it into your Z Fold 6, and I mean, you get all kind of adapters for all type of different things. You get HDMI. HDMI is big on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 because you can use DeX. You got a Type-C. You can plug up all your peripherals. The Z Fold 6 is a mini tablet, so you can plug up a keyboard, a controller, a mouse, anything that you want to into this device. And an adapter like this Ugreen adapter, I'll put a link down in the description, make the possibilities definitely endless. Okay, last but not least, guys, I got my T7 shell here, which is a SSD from Samsung. I use this to actually, if I save a lot of files or I record some B-roll with my Z Fold, I can actually just plug a Type-C cord up to it and save it to my T7 Shield, and I can move it around to iPad, laptop, wherever I want to move it to. Or I could just use it for a 1 terabyte storage device, backup storage device for my Z Fold. But if you're in the content creation and you're dealing with video and things of that nature, you can't go wrong with picking up a nice Samsung SSD. This thing is rugged. It's got a rubber exterior, so it's really protective, and I haven't had it crash or anything. I've been rocking it and using it heavily since the first day I bought it. And I mean, it's super fast transfer speeds also. So if you got like a big dog device that you might catch some content on, or you might actually take some files from another device and edit them on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, because I'll do that too. I know we got different apps that's kind of like AirDrop now, but if you want something solid and quick and dependable, it's nothing like this T7 Shield SSD from Samsung. But these are just my top accessories for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.